Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter lemon sauce for fish. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 fresh lemons, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Fresh ingredients are key for a vibrant, delicious sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Place a small saucepan over medium-low heat and melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once the butter is fully melted, add your 2 minced cloves of garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant. Remember, we want to soften the garlic, not brown it, to avoid any bitterness in our delicate sauce. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the lemon. Squeeze the fresh juice from your 2 lemons directly into the saucepan with the melted butter and sautéed garlic. Give it a gentle stir to combine all those lovely flavors. Let the sauce simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it will slightly thicken and fill your kitchen with an amazing aroma. To finish our delicious sauce, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in your 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. This adds a beautiful color and fresh flavor. Now, season the sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to your liking. Finally, generously drizzle this warm, bright butter lemon sauce over your favorite cooked fish. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.